This is the USB keyboard adapter that I'm working on for my CoCo. There's a custom board that I made here for it, and then I have an Arduino with a USB host shield. And right now I'm using a wireless USB keyboard. It mostly works. I'm just having issues with the shift key. And so I want to show it off a little bit. Okay. And see if I can get this in view. So this is the keyboard that I'm typing on, and you could see that I press these keys and it's coming out on my CoCo, and this is a real CoCo. This is not an emulator. Pretty much everything works. I'm just having issues with the shift key and stuff like that. Like, well, I have it disabled right now, but when I clear works, I can clear the screen, enter of course, and all that. So the progress is good. I'll be able to type pretty soon, I think. And then once I figured out the shift key problem, I should be able to make a small board that fits in there. So yeah.